Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 in All. As we all know that you guys gave a lots of love in our latest bass video. So only for that reason, we have bring a new video on Top 5 loudest car bass in the world, where we will go to see some insane car basses. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Top 5 loudest car bass in the world.
Back home to you.
This what you waiting on? Bamboo. Woo!
Hope you guys like today's video. If you do so, then give a thumbs up to this video. Do share the video and don't forget to comment down your favorite part. And lastly, subscribe Top 5 in All and press the bell icon too. Till then, it's Top 5 in All signing out. Bye.